Somehow, the New York City subway system was ranked the best in the nation and the 13th in the world. I don't know who voted for this, but they clearly have never lived in New York or taken the New York City subway. Oh my god, this is the train. I can't even get on. And although our subway system is very convenient, running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, with 472 stations, 24 routes throughout the 5 boroughs, and 36 lines consisting of numbers and letters, it has a lot of flaws. And after living here for 10 plus years, I wouldn't call it the best. Around 3 million people take the subway every day. So, for today's video, I want to share with you my daily commute for a full week taking the New York City subway and buses to and from work. I am off to work. It is 7 a.m. now, like 6:55. See you later, love. Bye. I usually take this train and then I have to transfer it to another train or a bus, but today I'm going to transfer to the bus because I want to get a seat. I just got out of work. I have to go downtown to Chelsea, so I'll be taking a different train. I just missed the train. Okay. It is 9 p.m. I am on my way home. It should take about an hour. I have to make 2 transfers. And then I should be home by like 10:15. I'm just getting back home.
Oh, you're so happy to see me. Hey.
So it's 10:30, 10:34 during the week. I usually get home. Today I had to do something, so the train took longer because the last train that I had to transfer to took a little while to get to the station. At night they slow down. During the day they're a little quicker because it's rush hour, people have to get to work. But the train at night usually slow down. So if you live off like a shitty train, it sucks at night. That's why I would not like to live in like Queens, in Astoria, some parts of Brooklyn, because some of those trains, they either stop working at night completely or they slow down and then it takes forever to get home. So today it took me a little over an hour and 15-20 minutes because I had to wait longer. But usually like during the day when I go to work, it takes me about, if I don't have to wait for the train, it's 45 minutes. But if I have to wait, it's about an hour. But I'm gonna keep documenting the week on my commutes. I might have to, tomorrow I will take a different route to work. There's like 3 different routes that I could take to go to work. So tomorrow I'm gonna take a busier route because usually every time I take this, like the 2 train, it's so crowded in the morning. So I'll do that tomorrow so people can see. Today I took the train to the bus, which wasn't bad. There were seats on the bus and I was able to sit, and the same on the train. But tomorrow might be a different story. So it is 7:55 a.m. I am about to go to work. Usually, today's Wednesday. Usually I'm there at, well, Wednesdays I'm usually there at 8 in the morning, but today I didn't take a lunch yesterday, so I'm coming in late today. So I'm supposed to be there by 9, but I should have left 10 minutes ago if I wanted to be there by 9. So I'll probably be there by 9:10. So let's go commute and show you the trains.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
I actually made it to work before 9. It is 5:19 and it is so bright outside. Like a month or 2 ago, I will get out of work and it will be so dark and depressing, but not anymore. I'm off work. I have to go to CVS and then I'm going back home. So I was supposed to go grocery shopping today after work. Lucky, hold on. But I forgot my grocery shopping cart. I carry that with me when I go grocery shopping. So I have to carry that up and down the stairs and the subway and just travel with it all day. So tomorrow I'm gonna do that after work because I have 0 food in here. I have a slice of chicken and some eggs. That's it. And some water, lots of water, because I like to stay hydrated. So that's what I'm gonna do tomorrow. That will be the section for the traveling adventure of tomorrow. So you can see how we do the grocery shopping here. I mean, if you don't have a car, you have to carry all those bags up and down the subway. But sometimes I'll go to the grocery store and I'll be like, I'm just gonna buy a few things. And I leave with like 3 bags and then I'm struggling up and down the steps. So that's why I bought the cart. So I'm gonna take that with me tomorrow. And then after work, we'll go to Whole Foods. Good morning, everybody. Today I am going grocery shopping after work. So I have to take that with me. Okay, bye, Lucky. Bye. See you later. So the cart is completely full. I had to put some stuff inside my bag here because I ran out of room. So we'll see how I make it home with this.
There's a sense of belief. I just cry at my pity party.
I'm home. Oh my god. Hi. I'm finally home. It is 7:14. And hi, boy. So now I have to put all my groceries away. Okay. So usually I go to the grocery store on Sundays, but because please, I have no food whatsoever. But now my refrigerator is full. And I have enough food to last me for 2 weeks. So today I am going downtown. I work at my part-time job. I have 2 jobs, that's how I survive living in the city. So this is gonna be a different route that I take. I'm taking a different train. I'm gonna take, the train that I take is like a 15-minute walk from my apartment. Lucky, please. So I'm gonna walk over there, and then I have to transfer at 59th Street, Columbus Circle, which is a really popular and crowded area. It's very touristy. There's a lot of stuff. That's like the entrance to Central Park, pretty much. So all the tourists are there. And that's one of the like the major train stations. So I'm taking the D train, and then I'm transferring to the 1, and I'll be going to my part-time job. And then today, usually sometimes my one of my coworkers, he'll give me a ride after work. Come here. He'll give me a ride after work, but sometimes I have to take the train. So if I take the train at night, I'll capture that. And sometimes it's an adventure. Been waiting for about 10 minutes, and now the train is coming in 22 minutes. So 30 minutes of wait time. It's 12:38 a.m. right now. Hi, Lucky. It is 2:21, and I'm just getting home. Oh my god, I ran here because it's so dark outside and there was no one outside. I'm so out of breath. This is the longest it has taken me to get to his apartment. I think this is the second time that I take the train after work on a late, and this is the longest it has taken me. I left like at 12 something, and it's 2 a.m. now. Usually when it's this late, quick tip, if you ever take the subway late at night, if you're coming to New York City or you live in New York City and you're taking the subway, there is this long bar, like it's usually towards the middle. It's like sometimes it's against the wall on some walls, but it's towards the middle, or it might be like hanging above the platform. But it's a long bar, it's white with black lines. That's exactly where the conductor stops. So if you're ever like out late at night, or if you're visiting New York City and you're taking the train late at night and you want to feel like just some sort of safety or secure on the train, just get on that, just find that long bar, and that's the cart where the conductor is gonna stop. So you can just get on that cart and the conductor will be in there. So it's like some sort of security, you know, a little safety. So that's a tip. Like I learned that the first week, my first weekend in New York City when I moved. This girl that had been living here for like a year, we went out with her and she told us that. So ever since then, I look for the bar, and it's usually towards the middle of the platform, and I just get on the carts where the conductor's at. I'd rather be safe than sorry. But anyways, this is like my longest commute late at night. The guy that usually gives me the ride wasn't working today, so I didn't get my ride, unfortunately. So I had to take the train, and it was so packed. The first train, it was like, luckily I got a seat, but I guess everyone was getting, like, you know, getting home from work, and it was just, you could barely move in there. It is raining right now. It's been raining all day. And of course, everything's messed up. The MTA, the transportation. I have to go into the city, so I have to take a bus. I'm walking to the bus right now. And they're delayed, so I went to one, so now I have to go to another one. And then I have to take the train into Manhattan. It's not even 6 and I am finally home. I left work and I came straight home and it's only 5:53. That is the vlog. Thank you so much for watching this commuting vlog around New York City. This week was really slow on the trains. Usually when I worked in Brooklyn, I used to take a different train. I used to take the A train. There was always some crazy stuff happening on the A. But this is just like a typical week commuting in New York City for me. It just gets really hectic, like during work hours, during the rush hours, like 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and early in the morning because people are going to work and then leaving work to go back home. And late at night, a lot of people that work in the city are coming back to the Bronx, or just people partying. When I lived in Manhattan, I used to take the one. There was always like a bunch of drunk people. But overall, that's just a typical week. Lucky, I want to say hi. How are you? Say hello. What was I saying? So that is just a typical week commuting in New York City for me. Once it gets a little warmer, I'll do another one over the weekend because once it gets warmer, there's a lot more street performers and just people dancing on the trains. So that sometimes is fun, but sometimes it's really annoying because they try to do that when the train is packed. But that is, I guess it's when a little warmer, like during the summer. So if this vlog does well, I'll try to do another one like this, and I'll try to take different trains. This week I took the D, the 4, the 1, the 2. The C, I took the C as well. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you made it this far, please subscribe to the channel. I post videos every week, and I hope to see you or for you to come back next week for my next video. Have a great day or night, wherever you are in the world. Until next time, bye. Cookie, say bye.